like, guys, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to sound angelic as shit because no one commented on my last video like what they wanted me to do. But I just thought of this, and maybe next video I can get some recommendations and shit. But for now, I'm gonna make y'all sound angelic as shit because I know a lot of people nowadays want to sound angelic. And this is a good angelic like preset. I did not make this shit though. I love you, Kenshi, who made this shit, whoever that is. But I'm finna give y'all the preset. I haven't made a song like angelic like this shit. It also kind of like bad. Alright, well, y'all got the preset, but let me give y'all a shout out to checking this shit out. This is a shitty ass preset. Alright, let me look for another one. This is a yeet ad-lib. I don't not make that shit though, that's why it doesn't even sound like a yeet ad-lib. I don't even know, bro, what to like give y'all, cause shit, I got a lot of angelic shit, but it's like when I used to have it. I mean, these are clear vocals if y'all want this shit. I mean, it's okay, but like, let me just get to it. Alright. Oh shit, I better. Alright, well, oh, this is horrible. I don't even like him. Let me give y'all this new glow shit. Alright, that's all. This is like a gate, but on beats and shit. These are ad-libs. These are like angelic ad-libs, I guess. I mean, they say angel. And these are heavenly. Oh, I like that, I ain't gonna lie, I did not even know how it is. I ain't gonna lie, I don't see any of y'all wanting this, but if y'all want this preset, then just comment down below and I'll do it next week. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all these heaven libs because they kind of sound angelic. Well, that's all of it, and let me try to find another one. Alright, so I'm scrolling through here. Oh, hell no, bro. Well, I mean, this is kind of angelic. Let me just give you this yeet preset. I cannot talk. Let me give you this yeet preset. It's kind of bad, honestly. It was like my first yeet preset. These are all my OG presets. Like, listen to this shit. No auto. This is not an ad-lib, bro. I don't know, like, why I can sound like it. Like, bro, what? This wasn't yeet ad-libs, this was just yeet, bro. And if this was Cardi, like, or angelic, I don't even. Can. I ain't got nobody out here for Can. But yeah, I don't even think I got any shit, bro. I think that might be it, but I'm finna make a song and I'm gonna play it right now so I can show y'all boys how I made this song angelically.
You crazy, yeah, baby, me and you, we got some fun, love, and there's nothing it is, yeah. I just took the birds on the girl like it's dead, yeah. Me and her fake ass nigga do it like this, yeah. Pull her with a handgun, I got two big thotties in the back that wanna get me, yeah. I got a bitch, yeah, looking good in the hand, just go boy, give me that solid. Call me a tall for the 40, for the polo, yeah. I got two bitches in the back, and they pretty, but I wanna know if I'm handing up fake. Tonight you gon' be in my house, and nah, baby, go. Look at this stick, bitch, yeah, no, I'm brick, already know this shit too up, yeah. know some